The Metra 70816 Amplifier Bypass Harness provides a straightforward way to bypass factory JBL amplification in many early 2000s Toyota vehicles while keeping the original wiring intact. Its included main power harness is generously long at 204 inches, giving installers plenty of reach to route cables cleanly through the vehicle. The connectors lock firmly into the factory plugs, creating a secure connection that resists wiggles, vibration, and intermittent audio dropouts. Metra designed this harness with both do-it-yourself owners and professional installers in mind, so the color coding and layout are intuitive and easy to follow. Because this harness has been proven in real-world installations, it tends to work reliably the first time without the trial and error that universal harnesses often require. Overall, this bypass harness offers a clean, non-destructive way to upgrade a head unit or audio system while preserving vehicle integrity and avoiding complex rewiring.